Are you looking for the best scanning laser printers? In this video we will look at some of the 7 best scanning laser printers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Brother DCP-L2640DW Printer. The Brother Compact Laser Printer is ideal for small businesses, offering a 3-in-1 functionality with a laser printer, scanner, and copier. It prints black and white documents at a fast speed of up to 36 ppm, while scanning efficiently at 23.6/7.9 IPM. The 50-page auto document feeder saves time during multi-page scanning and copying. With flexible connectivity options including wireless and Ethernet, you can easily adapt to your business needs. Additionally, the Brother Mobile Connect app enables wireless printing, scanning, and supply management from your mobile device, enhancing your on-the-go productivity. Number 2. HP Color Laserjet Pro 3301 FDW. The HP Color Laserjet Pro 3301 FDW is a versatile all-in-one printer that is perfect for small teams. With fast color printing, scanning, copying, and faxing capabilities, this printer ensures professional quality color documents and reports. The next-generation TerraJet toner enhances colors, while the Auto 2-sided printing and scanning feature saves time and paper. The auto document feeder and a 250-sheet input tray increase productivity, making it ideal for office use. Number 3. Brother MFC-L2820DW Laser Printer. The Brother Laser Printer is perfect for small offices, offering premium monochrome printing in a compact size. It prints black and white documents quickly, with scan and fax capabilities. The 50-page auto document feeder saves time on multi-page tasks. It connects wirelessly, via Ethernet, or USB. The 2.7-inch touchscreen allows easy navigation and printing from cloud-based apps like Google Drive and Dropbox. What we like: compact size, fast printing, wireless connectivity. Number 4. Brother Compact Monochrome Laser Printer. The Brother Compact Monochrome Laser Printer is optimized for efficiency with a 36 pages per minute print speed and a 250-sheet paper capacity that reduces time spent refilling trays. Its mobile device compatibility, cloud-based printing and scanning, wireless connectivity, and NFC Touch to Connect feature provide convenience and exceptional support. The printer also comes with the option for the Refresh Easy Print subscription service, which saves up to 50% on toner and delivers Brother Genuine Toner to your door before you need it. What we like: easy to set up, fast printing speed, flawless print quality, wireless and NFC connectivity. Number 5. Xerox B225 Multifunction Printer. The Xerox B225 printer is a versatile and convenient all-in-one printer designed for small teams or home offices. With its compact size and easy setup, it is perfect for those working from home. This printer offers unparalleled performance with fast color and black and white scanning, as well as duplex scanning for more applications. It also features better paper handling with multiple trays for higher capacities. The built-in Wi-Fi and support for mobile printing from a wide range of devices make it convenient and easy to use. Additionally, the Xerox B225 printer prioritizes security with comprehensive features that protect against cyber threats. With its intuitive intelligence, productivity is enhanced with simplified tasks such as auto-straightening, receipt scanning, and auto-cropping images. What we like: compact and easy to set up, fast color and black and white scanning, better paper handling with multiple trays. Number 6. Canon imageCLASS MF3010 VP Wired Monochrome Laser Printer. The Canon imageCLASS MF3010 VP Wired Monochrome Laser Printer with scanner, USB cable included, black is a great value for the money. It is a laser printer and comes with a starter cartridge and a regular cartridge. It is a bit bigger than expected but not massive. The print quality is good, and it starts to print almost immediately after hitting print on the computer. It can scan in B&W in color and comes with a cable to directly connect to the printer. It is easy to set up, but it is important to remove the protective foils installed on the laser drum inside the printer and install the drivers before connecting the printer to the PC. What we like. Good value for the money. Prints almost immediately. Can scan in B&W in color. Comes with a cable to directly connect to the printer. Easy to set up. Number 7. Brother Monochrome Laser All-in-One Printer. The Brother Monochrome Laser All-in-One Printer is a multifunctional device designed for efficient office use. Its large, expandable paper capacity of up to 2,650 sheets with optional trays ensures uninterrupted printing, while the auto-duplex capabilities and duplex scanning and copying save time and paper. The 3.7-inch color touchscreen allows for cloud-based scanning directly to popular services like Dropbox, Google Drive, and Evernote. The Amazon Dash replenishment feature measures toner levels and automatically orders more from Amazon when running low. This printer requires Brother Genuine Toner products for optimal performance. What we like. Large, expandable paper capacity. Auto-duplex capabilities. Cloud-based scanning. Amazon Dash replenishment enabled. Requires Brother Genuine Toner for optimal performance.